Hi, this is Zixiangxu from team11, and we're doing a retractable extension cord for our project, which is also affordable and compact. This is our mission statement, which consists of benefit proposition, key business goals, primary, secondary markets, assumptions, and stakeholders. For benefit proposition, the first one is a case where the cord can be rolled into and kept safe, space saving, and hand operated to avoid failure. The key business goals is provide a cost-effective product while addressing common issues. And we hope to capture 10% of the sale in primary market. And the primary market is Virginia Tech students, and the second ones are Blacksburg residents. And the stakeholders are VTEPS and team11 and our customers. And here is overall customer profile, and then we are selling the project retractable extension cord to target students, Virginia Tech students, 20-year-old male undergraduate mechanical engineering students live in a dorm, and then they have TI-83 cell phone, all the electronic devices that they might use our product. This is our customer needs. After some interview from the customer, that we made the conclusions. We made 7 conclusions about what our product has to have. The first one, our extension cord has to have a long cable, so you can use it anywhere. And second, our extension cord has to have a power switch, so you can turn it off when it's not in use, but it still can be plugged into the wall. It has to be compact. We want students to carry it in the backpack, so it has to be compact. It's affordable for college students, so again, it's for college students, so compact and affordable should be the first important. It has to be flexible. So what it means to be flexible is mainly for extension or retraction. We don't want the cord to be stuck when using it. The cable has to be sturdy at the connection joints, so it's not easy to break, and it has to be lightweight, so it's easier for students to carry it around in campus or carry it around on a trip. This is the functional decomposition. The first is accept power from power source. The second is turn devices on and off. The third one is extend and retract cord. So this is the concept combination table. The 3 main part is accepting power from the source, turning devices on and off, and extend retract cord, as we mentioned on the previous slide. So the power source, we can use a USB-C cable, 2-pin charger, Apple charger, or 2-pin charger. And for the devices on and off, we can use a switch button and a push button or sliding switch or rotating switch. And the last, to extend or retract cord, there's a manual lever, motor driven, or spring system, and we can connect one of these together on each components. Okay, this is the intellectual property of our project. The patent search was carried out on the United States Patent and Trademark Office website using a title Research for Retractable Extension Cord and other associated titles. And the next slide, which provide us the product and their descriptions. The patent search also allowed the team to realize what solution fragments could be considered during the concept generation and what could not be based on the active patents. Fortunately for the team, 4 out of 5 patents that were studied had expired already, and the design features could be incorporated in our final design if required. Okay, this is our FMEA table, which consists of the functions of power switch, the sockets, the rotating arms, the power cable, and the power cable extends to allow us to connect it to a power source far away. And here's the potential failure mode. Some of them could be electric connections loosen and detach based on project, and then the socket holes maybe get blocked, and the rotating arm could break off the device, and we don't want, but our wire might catch on fire, and we need isolation to get damaged. So that's our potential failure mode, and this is the recommended actions on the right side, very right side of the table. Okay, here we have our bill of material. So the socket and the power switch, we can purchase it on Alibaba, and it's really cheap. The total cost will be like $2. And then the rotating arm, top plate, electrodes, the top plate, inner ring, and then all the rest of them are manufactured by us. So we can produce this very cheap cost. So this is a breakdown of our CAD model, which consists of the socket on the top, and on the right we have the power switch and the rotating arm that we initially thought that we can fold it down to save space, the top plate, and then the hollow top plate, the electrodes, the top plate and the hollow top plate that we can rotate them, and then the inner ring, the outer ring, and the base plate on the bottom. And then this is what is our CAD model assembled look like. This is the reflection on how our product will be improved. So we have to have a finger. We have to use these nylon rings to rotate our product, but we want to change it to a fishing rod thing, like the rotate lever on the fishing rod, so we can just rotate and hold the base, and then it will retract the cord. And then we will also make sure that our cord don't get stuck when retracting the cord. And this basically, this is two main parts we need to focus on, modify for our product 2.0. Thank you very much.